I, Navdeep Kaur, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all time the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions and that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID 19. Thank you. So, students of 6th grade, this is about the chapter number 11 about हिस्ट्री. द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज़ द गुप्ता एम्पायर. अब इसमें हम क्या क्या पढ़ेंगे? सोर्सेज ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन द गुप्ता एम्पायर, इंपॉर्टेंट रूलर ऑफ गुप्ता एम्पायर, उसके एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, सोसाइटी एंड इकॉनमी. ठीक है. साइंटिफिक एंड कल्चरल डेवलपमेंट. Firstly, we start with the introduction. After the fall of the Mauryan Empire, North India witnessed a lot of political instability. The Kushana Empire, which established a stronghold in North India since the 1st century, started declining around 3rd century. Post the Kushanas, many small kingdoms emerged in the Indian subcontinent. However, none of these kingdoms were strong enough to build a vast empire. By the small beginning of 4th century, these small kingdoms, छोटी छोटी जो किंगडम थी, एंड रिपब्लिक्स वर यूनाइटेड टू ए सिंगल एम्पायर. उन सबका एक सिंगल एम्पायर बन गया, साम्राज्य बन गया. उसका क्या नाम था? गुप्ता एम्पायर. दिस पीरियड सो इकोनॉमिक प्रॉस्पेरिटी. इस पीरियड में जो है इकोनॉमिकली उन्होंने काफ़ी ग्रो किया. एंड ग्लोरियस अचीवमेंट्स इन साइंस, टेक्नोलॉजी एंड आर्ट, आर्किटेक्चर, लिटरेचर, mathematics, religion and philosophy. Hence the Gupta period is also referred to as the golden age in Indian history. इस वजह से जो है गुप्ता पीरियड्स को है जो गोल्डन एज के नाम से भी जाना जाता है हिस्ट्री में. अब इसके क्या क्या सोर्सेज हैं? We get information on Gupta Empire from various literary and archaeological sources. First है the Prayag Prashasti of Gupta king Samundragupta at Allahabad details his conquest and achievements. Painting of Ajanta cave and the iron pillar at Mehrauli display the skill of Gupta artist. Coins issued by Gupta kings provide information on the economy of the period. Several literary works of the period also provide valuable insight on life in the Gupta Empire. Important work of the famous poet Kalidas like Abhijanya Shankuntalam and Meghdutam. Accounts of foreign travelers like Faheen. So these ये सारी चीज़ों से जो है हमें पता चलता है कि गुप्ता एम्पायर के बारे में. The Gupta Empire. The Gupta were possibly feudatories of the Kushanas in UP. Some historians believe the origin kingdom of the Gupta comprised present day eastern UP and Bihar at the end of the 3rd century CE. They had their center of power at Prayag, from where they spread to the neighboring regions. The Gupta Empire was founded as the small kingdom by Sri Gupta, who ruled from 240 to 280 CE. He was succeeded by Ghatotkacha, who ruled from 280 to 319. The Gupta Empire emerged as major power under the region of 3 emperors. कौन सी थी? Chandragupta, Samundragupta and Chandragupta II. Chandragupta I. Chandragupta I ascended the Magadha throne in 320 CE and ruled till 335 CE. He married Princess Kumaradevi of the Lichavi tribes, the powerful Nepal tribes in Vaishali, and received Patliputra, the capital of Magadha, as a dowry. He conquered the major cities of Prayag and most Magadha in Bihar. He assumed his title Maharajendra. He was succeeded by his son Samundragupta. चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य के बाद कौन सा है? समुद्रगुप्ता. समुद्रगुप्त ruled the Gupta Empire from 335 CE to 380 CE. He is one of the greatest conquerors in Indian history. He was dubbed as the Indian Napoleon because of his monumental achievements and remarkable military prowess. The Allahabad pillar inscription, composed by his court poet Harisena, give detailed information of his achievements. This inscription is known as Prayag Prashati. Samundragupta expanded the Gupta Empire further. He overran the whole of India with his army During his region, the Gupta Empire extended from Allahabad to border of Bengal. Samudragupta defeated the 9 ruler of Aryavatra in the north and extended their kingdom. Next, he in the north and annexed their kingdom. Next, he defeated the 12 rulers of Dakshinapatha in the south. They surrendered the Samudragupta after being defeated. However, he did not annex their territory to his kingdom as he realized that it would be difficult to control such a vast kingdom. बहुत ज़्यादा जो है गुप्ता एम्पायर का जो एरिया है वो बहुत ज़्यादा वास्ट हो चुका था. द रूलर ऑफ साउथ एक्सेप्टेड हिज सुप्रीमेसी एंड समुद्रगुप्ता अलाउड देम टू रूल अगेन. नेबरिंग स्टेट, कौन कौन सी नेबरिंग स्टेट थी इसकी? असम, कोस्टल बंगाल, नेपाल, सेवरल स्मॉलर स्टेट इन द नॉर्थ वेस्ट सबमिटेड टू समुद्रगुप्त विदाउट अ फाइट. They accepted his overlordship and brought him tribute. He maintained friendly relation with the Kushana and Shaka ruler of the outlying areas of their ruler of Sri Lanka. Samudragupta also conducted the grand Ashwamedha Yojana to exert his political supremacy. Like his father, he also took the title of Maharaja Dhiraja. Apart from his military capability, Samudragupta was also a lover of poetry. मिलिट्री तो उसकी काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग थी, उसके अलावा वो जो है वो उनको पोइट्री का काफ़ी शौक था. ही वॉज अ पोइट, वो खुद भी एक पोइट थे. एंड अकम्प्लिश्ड वीना प्लेयर एंड अ पैट्रॉन ऑफ आर्ट एंड लिटरेचर वाइल ही वॉज अ स्टाउन फॉलोवर ऑफ Hinduism. He was tolerant of other religions. He also patronized several Buddhist scholars. Chandragupta II, also known as the Vikramaditya, succeeded Samudragupta in 380 CE. He ruled till 415 CE. The Gupta dynasty reached its zenith during his reign. Like his grandfather, he strengthened his rule by powerful political marriage alliance. He married the daughter of a mighty Nagar ruler. Later, he married his daughter Prabhavati to a Vatakatra ruler in the Deccan province and his son to the Kadamba prince of Karnataka region. Chandragupta Vikramaditya led several successful military expeditions. He conquered Malwa, Gujarat and Saurashtra region in the west. This conquest gave the Gupta control over the important seaport of Bharuch, Cambay and Supara on the west coast. He also defeated the feudal chief of Bengal and occupied the area. Thereafter, he established his second capital at Ujjain. Student, we have read this chapter up to the page number 91. I hope you understand this chapter, and please go through the chapter so that you can understand the back exercise and question answer of this chapter. Thank you.